What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I really haven't done like an update on some of my favorite high yield dividend stocks, specifically the BDCs. I absolutely love them. I love high yielders as long as they're stable high yielders. IEP, not very stable. Okay. Now, what I do with a lot of these high yielders is I have them buy Starbucks, Kroger. Okay. Now, dividend growth always wins, but how am I going to turbocharge my dividend portfolio when I'm just buying really high priced dividend stocks with high dividend growth, low yield? I want to get to the point where I don't have to touch this dividend portfolio and the dividends do the work for me to buy dividend growth stocks. It has done very well. And I'm going to be honest with you, my dividend portfolio has been really turbocharged. I'm getting there at phase two. Phase two, I'm going to buy, instead of dollar cost averaging, I'm going to dollar cost average, but I'm going to buy dividend stocks individually, specifically the high yielders, so that they buy me the dividend growth stocks. The income has done very well, and hopefully it'll get to the point where I'm making $1,000, $2,000 a month, and I don't have to touch this dividend portfolio, and I can focus on the individual dividend stocks. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check out these 3 dividend stocks right now. One of my favorite high yielders is Hercules Capital. It's sitting at 19.22, a dividend yield of 8.32%, PE ratio of 8.33. Average volume 816.79K. Market cap is 3.12 billion US dollars. Fee range is 1240 to 1926. Day range is 1915 to 1926. Previous close is 1907. So I really like this business development company. The revenue trends and dividend history is not too bad, which I'll go over. So financially, this is annually in millions US dollars. It has done very well. 2013, 139, 2014, 143, 2015, 157, 2016, 175, 2017, 190, 2018, 207, 2019, 267, 2020, 287, a little bit down in 2021. You can blame a little bit at the pandemic time, 280, 2022, 321, 2023, 460. That is a huge increase in revenue. Now, don't forget, a business development company, you invest in shares in them, 90% of what they make have to go back to investors. So that's the nice thing about business development companies. There's some bad ones, but this one with the increase in revenue has had me attracted to them for a long time, and I buy shares of Hercules Capital. I own them, and I'm going to be honest with you, there ain't no way I'm going to sell them if the revenue's done well and the dividends are nice, which we'll jump to. And for a business development company, this is quite impressive. So I'm going to start in 2019. It was 31 cents to 33 cents, and then 34 cents, 35 cents, 2020, 40 cents, and then probably a little bit with the pandemic, you got 32 cents, and then 34 cents. Then 2021, 37 cents, 39 cents. And then 40 cents, 2022, 48 cents to 50 cents, 2022, 51 cents, then 2023, a little bit down at 47 cents, but it's creeping back up at 48 cents. So you're going to see a high payout ratio with a business development company. That's just how it is. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 12. Dividend growth in 5 years, 5.59%. So if you bought one share, you made 160 with an 8.39% dividend yield. That's quite attractive. Again, I have a hybrid, high yield, low dividend growth stocks, and low yield, high dividend growth stocks. I like that hybrid. Now let's jump to the next dividend stock. This is what I like. Trying to keep up with the S&P. It's taken a long time. One point before pandemic hit, it was beating the S&P. Okay, financial sector has been taking a hit. I've been going after the financial sector. That stock is Blue Owl Capital Corp, sitting at $15.95. Dividend yield is 10.47%. The PE ratio is 7.84. Average volume 2.15 million. The market cap 6.22 billion US dollars. Year range 1220 to 1602. Day range 1591 to 1602. Previous close is 1593. So I'm going to jump to the revenue trends and dividend history. This is what I like to see, an increase in revenue. Business development company, the revenue's going up. I love it. Annually in millions US dollars. 2016, 2880. 2017, 159. 2018, 388. 2019, 718. 2020, 803. 2021, 1021. 2022, 1202. 2023, 1,582. You know, people will say, well, why do you just invest in high yield dividend stocks, or why do you invest in them? That's almost pointless because dividend growth is going to win. Yeah, well, good luck buying and owning about 400 shares of Apple, about 400 shares of Visa, let's see, 200 shares of Caterpillar. Okay, good luck affording that amount. Okay, this is why I have a hybrid with my dividend portfolio. All right, passive income, my active income is going towards the passive income, and I need high yielders because I need them to buy dividend growth stocks. And again, it's a nice supplement. I am an income investor and dividend growth investor. I mean, people try to say, oh, all you do is chase, yield. To a certain point, you can't just, I fully believe you can't just focus totally on dividend growth. You got to have some income, high yield income stocks. That's why I'm an income investor. I'm kind of like a hybrid, value investor, dividend growth investor, income investor. I like to combine them all into one. Now let's see the dividend history. Okay, they're slowly increasing their dividend, and they have like a special dividend too, which is kind of cool. So 2023, 33 cents. Now you can correct me if I'm wrong. I'm pretty sure that they merged with somebody. Okay. This is why it's showing on Zacks at the start of 2023. Again, can correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section. So then you got September 7 cents, and then you got October 33 cents. Then you get 8 cents in December. Then you get 35 cents at the start of 2024. Then you get 8 cents. Then you get 35 cents, and you get a little special dividend of 6 cents. So their dividend growth in 5 years, according to Zacks, is 0.22%, but the number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 9. Again, all the data. So I want to just clarify before I go over Capital Southwest Corporation. OBDC changed their name, and that's why it's not showing significant dividend history. Now, Capital Southwest Corporation is sitting at $25.96. Its dividend yield is 11.75%. PE ratio 11.36. Average volume 218.50K. Market cap is 1.12 billion US dollars. Year range was 1736 to 2617. Day range is 2585 to 2610. Previous close is 2589. Now let's jump to the revenue trends and dividend history. So revenue-wise, it's fantastic. Annually in millions US dollars, I'm going to start from 2016, 916, 2017, 23, 2018, 35, 2019, 51, 2020, 62, 2021, 68, 2022, 82, 2023, 119. Now I'm going to jump to the dividend history. Actually, it's quite impressive. So I'm going to, the quarterly dividend stock. So 2018, it was 44 cents to 46 cents. 2019, 48 cents to 49 cents. Then at 50 cents, okay, a little bit of a drop in 1231 at 40 cents, but then it jumped to 51 cents in 2020. Then in 2022, it was 63 cents. Okay, sometimes you get special dividends. Then in 2022, 50 cents, and then 57 cents. and then 58 cents, and then 2023, 59 cents, and then 62 cents, and now it's 63 cents. Their dividend growth in 5 years is 9.20%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 13. If you bought one share, you made $2.28 with an 8.81% dividend yield. Now, these 3 dividend stocks, before I jump to M1 Finance to show you how many shares I'm at, these 3 dividend stocks, I want to get to probably 400 shares, to be honest with you, so I can have them buy my dividend growth stocks. So let's jump to M1 Finance. Right here, I have a ways to go. So okay, so we're looking up. I got Nike, I'm doing decent. I'm almost at 2 shares of McDonald's. So yes, agree, Realty Corporation, we're getting there. We're getting at 10 shares. So let's jump to, okay, Blue Owl Capital Corp, I'm at 58 shares. Then let's jump to Hercules Capital, I'm at 59 shares. And then we're going to jump to CSWC. I'm at 68 shares. So actually I'm up 20.12% with them. So these are my 3 high yield dividend stocks, cheap dividend stocks that I absolutely love. And I need to get to 400 shares. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Look at this, 106,000 with the dividend portfolio. So just want to point that out, that it's growing. Dividends are growing. And there's a lot of dividend stocks that are cheap and high yielders and successful. So I'm in, and I plan on being long in them. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. Take care and have a good one. I'm glad to be back. As a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. This is strictly for entertainment purposes only. This video and myself, I do not give financial advice. I said that the second time. Do not use this YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. It is best to seek financial advice from a financial advisor or somebody certified to give financial advice. It is best to seek tax advice from a tax advisor or somebody certified to give tax advice. So again, don't use my YouTube channel for financial advice or for tax purposes. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money. These 3 dividend stocks mentioned, I plan on being long unless if something happens. So make sure you do your due diligence, do your research before you put your finger on the trigger buying any stock, ETF, any form of investment. Take care and have a great Monday.